My name's Jo Downs and I'm an artist, craftsperson and designer. I create beautiful, unique, handmade pieces of glass with my team in Cornwall. As a designer, I'm really inspired by the organicness of the world around us, really. So I've teamed up with Solidor, who create unique, individually made doors. And that kind of works really as a collaboration between us. We kind of wanted to work together to create an even more beautiful piece, really. We went through this process of kind of working out what they wanted to do. I then went away and came up with some samples. I then kind of came up with some designs that would work with the samples, and we kind of just to'd and fro'd with those to see what would really work. And we kind of went from there, really, and sort of came up with some really interesting designs that we're all really excited about. It's kind of a process that's similar to stained glass, starting with a sheet of glass as your canvas, and then cutting these pieces and adding various different powders and layering it up, and then melting that layered construction that you've just created in a kiln, and it all melts together to create one piece. What that transforms into is absolutely mind-blowing. It's like magic. Every single piece is unique. I think it takes away a little bit of that uniformity in a kind of manufacturing process and brings in that real art side of it, so that when somebody is buying their beautiful door, they can have their own unique door, these stunning doors that they have, and yet a piece of art in it as well.